Check out this sneak peek of this Father's Day Tuxedo gift box. Need a more fancy approach to Father's Day? To show Pops just how much you care. This is another Dollar Tree gift idea on a budget. Need more gift ideas for Father's Day? Then subscribe to the channel. Click the bell to receive all new posts. Will you be recreating this DIY? Let me know down in the comment section. Stay tuned, more transformations are on the way. Thanks so much for watching Wild Things Creative Crafting.